Hi there, I'm James Weaver with Gateway Mortgage. Today we had the pleasure of having Steve Taubman with Habitude Warrior show up and work with us in our networking group. Gave us some outstanding information. I really look forward to using that on a daily basis and reaching out to my customers, especially being able to promote other businesses in the area to help their business as well.
I want to say it was probably one of the most exciting and informational experiences. We had a great crowd and he just kept everybody on their seats and just so attentive, and it wasn't your usual boring sit down, I'm listening kind of thing. And I just hope he comes back, and he's having a big seminar and we've signed up some of us for it and we're looking forward to it.
Informative techniques, especially how to close. That was my favorite part of this session, so I'd like to thank you for giving us some of your time.
How you doing? This is John Knotts with Crosscutter Enterprises. I'm a business coach and consultant, and I'm out here with Steve, and we're going to be going to the Habitude Warrior Conference in April, and looking really forward to it. Had a great presentation from him, and I really appreciated all the information he had to share.
Natalie with Remax. I was just at a presentation with Steve at Habitude Warrior, and it's got really cool stuff, stuff that we are really interested in, and things that will help us, like goal setting, prospecting, time management, and just kind of gives you a breakdown on how to work with it and use it in everyday life for us as realtors.
I'm Steve with Remax North San Antonio. I just sat in on a class with Steve with Habitude Warrior. Amazing class. Loved what he had to give, information he had to give me, and I love some of the details with looking into a lot of breakdown information on how to improve on your time management and to be a better real estate agent or downright salesperson.
Had the most amazing morning. I got a chance to have Steve with Habitude, and he did an amazing job of making sure that we had the best mental preparation with regard to doing business. So I really appreciate what Steve had to offer, and I hope to get to work with him and get a chance to hear him again.
Hi, this is Frankie Chapa. I'm the Director of Marketing at Remax North San Antonio, and we just heard a wonderful presentation from Steve with Habitude Warrior. It was a great presentation for our agents. We talked about prospecting, we talked about time management, and everyone got a little bit of something out of it. So we really recommend him coming to your offices. Thanks so much.
It's been a fantastic seminar that he put on for us. One of the favorite things that I had, and as a photographer it's always so hard, is talking about value to your customer.
My name is Michael Mano. I was the CEO of Porter Prescott Incorporated. Tow Truck in a Box. I managed to put Tow Truck in a Box on infomercials, became the #1 infomercial on television, then managed to put my products in over 50,000 to 60,000 stores. Ironically, some of the folks that helped me do that a few years ago are the people that he is aligned with and that are at these particular conferences. So I highly recommend it for anybody to go and learn for themselves. I learned that one time.
I'm Laredo from Sonder Insurance, and I just met Steve here at the Boulevardy Networking Group and had a lot of takeaways, and we'll be going to the Habitude conference in Dallas in April. Habitude Warriors, yes, conference in Dallas. So I'm really excited to kind of further that knowledge.
Hi everybody, I am Andrew Mathis with E3 Wealth. I'm here with Steve Taubman. We were here at the Boulevardy and Spring Branch networking morning, and this guy was spitting out such good information I could not write fast enough. Look him up.
We're going to teach you speed writing, and we're also give you a bigger piece of paper. You guys are awesome. It was such a pleasure.